be with you. Dear brothers and sisters, since the beginning of Lent, we have prepared our hearts by penance and ceremonial works. Today, we gather together to hear the whole Church, the beginning of the celebration of the Lord's Paschal mystery, that is to say, of His Passion and Resurrection. For we trust to accomplish the mystery that He entered His own city of Jerusalem. Therefore, with all faith and devotion, let us commemorate the Lord's entry into the city for our salvation, following in His footsteps, so that being made by His grace, partakers of the cross, we may have to share also in His resurrection and in His life. Let us pray. Itaas ninyo ang Lord ng Diyos. Almighty and living God, sanctify these doctrines with your blessing.
Yung nagpapaspas, kinuklose mo yun. Dito, mababa. Dahil sa kuba. Nagsunuran na sila. Nagsunuran na po.